Hey guys, I'm gonna be opening 2 Burning Shadows booster packs. So let's get right into it. Just want to open this pack nicely. Hello, Burning Shadows. Okay, just they're nicely opened up. I can't really. It's so. Can't really open it, guys. I'll just open it like that. Let's throw the garbage down there. So our first Burning Shadows booster pack. I wonder what the pull ratios are. So, code for you all. Thank you guys for joining me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Hope I did the Patrick right. Wimpod, Togedemaru, Croagunk, Pinsir, Magikarp, Energy, Gloom, Servine, Lana, Lucario, Reverse, and a Meowstic. Rare. So let's just order it up right there. Rare. We're on our last pack here of the new set, Burning Shadows. So let's get this opened up. Actually, I'll just rip the top off anyway. Last wonderful pack, guys. So I'll just put garbage there. Last pack, guys. Let's do it. Sorry guys, it's not really opening. Oh, there we go. Sorry guys, knocked the camera a little. So let's see here. Code for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Ah. So we got a Alolan Vulpix, a Wimpod, a Togedemaru, Croagunk, Pinsir, Energy, Fire type Energy, Gloom, Seadra, Bodybuilder, Rotom Dex Reverse, and Electros Rare. So thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah guys, see you all in the next video.